Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is 6 tips on how to promote your business with Facebook advertising. But before we dig in, please, like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. 6 tips on how to successfully promote your business with Facebook advertising. If you're new to marketing or selling your products and services, then you might be wondering what exactly is required to get your business noticed. And most importantly, you'll create a new revenue stream for your business that will continue to grow in the future. In this blog post, we'll cover some of the top tactics that successful businesses use to improve conversion rates with Facebook ads, as well as increase ROI. By implementing these tips into your marketing strategy as soon as possible, you'll see results sooner than later. As a marketer, it can be frustrating when you spend a lot of time creating an ad, but it doesn't get noticed by your audience. When creating your ad, you should be looking at a few key factors to ensure you're creating an ad that people will notice. Once you know this information, you can start to create your ad around these topics to improve your ad's chances at engaging your audience and getting found by them. This can greatly improve your ad's performance compared to static images, especially in countries where people are used to seeing images compared to text-only ads. If your audience is on Facebook Messenger or Instagram, you can also include a live preview of your video ad so people know what they're seeing before they click on it. This is especially true when you're new to Facebook ads, and aren't sure what else to do to improve your ad performance. By creating landing pages for each ad, you can keep everything consistent and make navigating your business a lot easier for your customers. You can create these landing pages with any content management system that you're already familiar with, like WordPress. Once you have your landing pages set up, you should create a new ad from your campaign page and start again. This way, you'll be creating ads against your landing pages, which is great for getting your business noticed. Facebook ads are a great way to get your business noticed and get people to visit your website. If all you do is focus on Facebook ads, you'll eventually see diminishing returns. And without the right combination of content marketing strategies and paid advertising, people might not return to your website after seeing an ad. Your Facebook ads should be complementary to your other online strategies. This means that you should be sharing your content, both on your website and other social media channels, and building relationships with your target audience. When you do all of these things, you'll start to see a high ROI from Facebook ads. According to HubSpot, a high ROI for Facebook ads starts with a strong call to action. What you write here will largely determine how many people click on your ad and visit your website. If your call to action is too vague, like visit our website, then you're not going to get many visitors. With so many channels, tactics, and formats to choose from when marketing your business, it can be hard to know where to start. Facebook ads are a great option for driving traffic to your website and converting these visitors into leads and customers. By following our top tips and tactics, you can start seeing results with Facebook ads in no time. Facebook ads aren't as intimidating as they seem, and with a little effort, you can start seeing results right away. These tips and strategies will help you create effective Facebook ads that drive traffic back to your website, build your brand, and increase your conversions. And for sticking around this long, we encourage you to check out clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please, like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.